Chanel here, and I just got this new RV filtration system for my travel trailer. I thought I'd share it with you guys in a review. Before I do, I just want to say thank you so much to the brand who gifted me this item. So taking a look at this RV filtration system, what you're going to do is here you have an input. This is where you're going to hook up your city hose line, and then you have your 3 filters here, and then it also has your output where you are going to hook up your hose line through to your travel trailer or your RV, etc. And then this is going to be able to filter out your water for you. So this was really easy for me to be able to install. I currently don't have it hooked up to my city water just yet, but I just wanted to show you how easy it was to be able to install to my actual RV. It's going to be the same process on the inside as it is to the outside. So all you do is it'll come with this connection right here, and then it has a quick disconnect. So you'll screw this part on, screw this part onto the hose, and then you use your quick disconnect right there and attach that. That's how easy it is to be able to install this, and then you are getting premium quality filtration. And overall, I think that this quality of this is so nice. I'm so excited to be able to have filtered water coming through to my travel trailer. Again, thank you so much to the brand who gifted me this item.
Just wanted to show you guys up close what this filter looks like. So you have your input right there from the city water, and then you have your output here that you'll hook up to your actual travel trailer or your RV. There's the quick disconnect that it comes with. Super easy to be able to set this up and be able to use this filter system